So if that is what you do, if you want to trade long, if you want to have a longer trade, you know, you want to trade this move, you understand? So you can see that the BB touched level 90 here, okay, and then wait for the first signal to come up. Once the signal comes up, you enter with a stop loss above this high and open your trade without putting a target at the lower band. Just keep trailing it as it moves, lock profit. As it moves, lock profit. Excuse me. Now it got to level 50 here, which is somewhere around here. Lock profit. Moved again, lock profit. Until the next arrow appears, don't close. Now, as it locks profit, other arrows can appear in between. Those ones are not valid. You understand me? Just keep locking your profit, keep locking profit, keep locking profit until market reverses back to hit. That's how you can take advantage of this long move. Okay. No trade for this day. You can see nothing. There's some here. You can look at this one is on the band. There was a break, number one. It's on the band, number two. And then when you entered somewhere here, you hit your target here. Went back again as to form a double top. You understand? On this particular zone here, this demand zone here. And then came back again and break through your target point there. And look at this day, there was a break above here and the signal came outside the band and you traded up to your lower band and you close your trade. 1 + 1 is 2, 4 + 5 9, 9 + 3 12. That's how you build your account if you want to scalp using this strategy. And in a week, you can be sure because you're trading several currency pair. You know what I'm saying? This is a win rate of 85 to 95%. Oh yes, 85 to 95%. If you follow the instruction, you might never have any loss. You understand me? For that week, because this is high-tech scalping, you might not have any loss for that week. You know what I'm saying? Look at this, came out outside the bag and hit your TP here. You understand what I'm saying? In a day, you could get 2 opportunities on 1 currency pair. Like I said, if you want to trade high, make sure it touches 10 or 90. Wait for the first arrow to enter, which is this, and just keep trading it, trading it. Lock profit, lock profit, lock profit, lock profit until it reverses back and hits your TP. Okay, look at this one here for this day. It came out, there was a break and it was outside, and I think that's the first arrow for that touched level 90. Just keep trailing. Your stop loss should be above your nearest high, and then keep locking profit as it moves, lock profit as it moves, lock profit, and it ended up getting to level 10. So you can see what you have gotten in this particular move is an awesome strategy. I'm teaching you the nitty gritty now. I'm showing you. I know some of you will go and dust it because some of you have this system. I know you don't know it works on currency pairs. Don't force the market to come to you. Wait for it to come to you. Allow your strategy to give you an opportunity to trade. Don't say, "Oh, this signal has come up. This one came up inside. These are invalid signals because they are inside the band." And look at it is on the band, and there was a break here, so this is valid. So put your stop loss here, and then TP was hit at upper band. As simple as that. There's nothing added to it. There's nothing added to it. As simple as that. Look at this day. Let me start from here. You can see there was a break here. Signal came up. You traded to upper band. You closed. This one, there was a break here. And then it came on the band. You enter and your target was hit here. And there was a break here as well. And the signal came up outside the band. And you targeted your upper band. You see? So every day profit differs. Today could be 2. Next tomorrow could be 4. The other day could be 5. Depends on the market movement and the gap and distance between the band and the signal that came. You understand me? But definitely you will sure make some profits in that particular day. So this is Euro USD. All right. Let me move to GBP USD. Okay. Or let me say all USD because all currency pair, it works on all currency pair. or currency pair. Now this is today. So far today we've gotten. So far today, look at 1, there was a break signal outside. 2, there was a break signal outside. 3, there was a break signal outside. And 4, you can see what I'm trying to say, signal outside up to upper band gotten. So it differs. You understand me? 5-minute time frame is ideal to use for this, okay? It's ideal to use for this strategy. You can see. And look at this one. The signal came up outside here and it touched level 10. So you can trail it, but you can see that the market went back to level 50 and reverse back to your entry. So because of this particular what's it called? Sorry, supply zone here. The other one I mentioned was demand zone here. It was a supply zone I mentioned earlier. I made the mistake in mentioning demand zone. Demand zone gives you a buy, supply zone gives you a sell. So it came to this particular entry to form a double bottom, I think. So it's about to shoot up again now, I believe, to level 50 here. You understand? And I believe another signal will pop up here also, but that might be on or inside the band, and that will not be valid for our strategy. Follow your strategy. Follow your strategy. If your strategy doesn't tell you enter, don't enter. You understand me? So this is it. 4 opportunities so far, and the day is not yet ended yet. You can see what I'm trying to say. Let's move to previous day to see what opportunity that we got from that day. Okay. All right. You can see. Let me take this something away. Let me take it away. All right, let me just take it away anyway. Let me take it away. All right, so I've removed it. Now look at this. So I wanted you to see it clearly. Now look at this strategy. Now you can see in this day, early in the morning, I believe, it broke above and the signal came out for a sell. You put your stop loss above the, what's it called? The signal there, and then you traded to lower band. Now remember what I told you. It was at level 90 there. So you trail without putting a TP at lower band, you trail. As it moves, you lost profit. Another signal came up here outside, another one outside, another one outside, simply telling you continue to sell. As it moves, you lock profit. It moves, you lock profit. Look at where it got to. Level 10. You can see that now. Level 10 and level 10, level 10. Look at all the way down. So you're not limited to lower band because it touches level 90. If it was level 10, the first buy arrow, you take it. You trail it to 50 or keep trailing to opposite direction. You can see what happened in this day. All right, good. Now look at this particular one for a scalping. It came out outside, you scalp to upper band. This one came out outside and on, you scalp to lower band. Do you see? So like roughly 4 opportunities in this particular day. All right, let's move quickly for one more. This is for another day. You can see what happened here. One trading opportunity, upper band, target hits, and then break above here. This is the first one here to lower band. Second one came again telling you continue to sell, and you hit lower band here and you exit. Look at this one. This one is on the band and you hit your TP here, and that's it for the day. So since it got to level 10 here, you can see you can trail it. You can trail it. When you got here, because of the news, it came back to your entry, but not your TP, because TP stop loss was here. And then it began to move back again. You trail, you keep trailing, you keep trailing. You can see the buy arrow just continue trailing until you go to level 10 and you close. As simple as that. It's an awesome strategy. I tell you, awesome strategy. All right, this is GBP USD. You can see this opportunity right here. There's a break and it came out. It came out outside the band. You can see, and you take your this thing to the upper band and you close your trade. You are done. You are just done. Look at this one again on the band, and there was a break. You can see TP is already hit as at your lower band. So it's high-tech scalping. High-tech scalping. Look at this one. It touches 10. The first blue arrow. You can keep trailing until it gets to the other side. Keep locking more profits. All right. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful time.